today's video, I will be showing you two different ways of how to achieve these brows. I will be using Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4.5. If you already know the shape of your brows, then after brushing it out, the next step would be creating hair-like strokes in the bald areas of your brows. After brushing it out, you can leave it like this, but if you want on-flick brows, then you can clean the edges with a concealer. And then I just added a few more hair strokes in the inner part of the brow to make it appear more natural. To set the brow hairs in place, I will be using Benefit Gimmebrow in shade number 3. If you are a beginner, I think it would be easier if you create an outline of the brow first. And then fill in the rest of the brows with hair-like strokes. And then brush it out to make it look more natural. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on the next video. Bye!